So there is a lot happening this week. And before we even get into our Sunday stock talk later today, that's going to be a live stream where I break down your top 5 stocks to watch this week. What I wanted to talk about were a series of events and earning reports that are going to be released this week. The first thing that I need you to know is that the Federal Reserve interest rate decision is going to be this Wednesday. Yes, I do plan to live stream it. It's at 2 p.m. Eastern time. And then normally 30 minutes after, Fed Chair Powell then gives a speech. This is an incredibly volatile time for the market. Again, if you're a beginner or you're someone that's just getting started, I think it is important to have, you don't necessarily have to have other people to watch it with, but I know that I can do at least a decent job breaking down what is being said, especially if market is reacting in a very volatile way. So I wanted to invite you to tune on in. With that being said, now that we are aware of the most important economic events this week, now let's talk about earning reports. This week is huge. Last week we had Tesla, which is one of the Mag 7 companies, but one of the smaller ones, right? We always knew that they weren't going to report incredible earnings. This week is a little bit different. You have Robinhood, you have UPS, you have Coca-Cola, but most significantly on Wednesday and Thursday. They always do it like this. Before the market opens, you have SoFi. Wednesday, Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, and Alphabet. That's like half of the S&P 500's market value, right? Ford, Qualcomm, Chipotle, all of these, all reporting on one day at one moment, and that is after the markets close. I would love to live stream that. So again, you guys let me know down in the comment section, should we? And we'll do it for free on this YouTube channel. And then on Thursday, Apple reports earnings by itself. NVIDIA, you might be like, what the heck, where's NVIDIA? NVIDIA always reports like 2 weeks after. That's pretty much what Wall Street will be looking out for after these companies report. But this is like one of the most significant weeks, right? Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, Alphabet. That is the big day after the markets close on Wednesday. I'm going to be talking about them fundamentally. We're going to be using Investing Pro to dive into them, to actually understand how they're doing, what the market's expectation is, and making sure that you guys are fully aware of, again, before they report, and then after they report, we'll live stream it so we can see how the markets react. And then there's the earnings call. On top of that, I wanted to make sure that you guys were aware of kind of like what's happened over the weekend. Normally, this is like when Trump and Iran tend to negotiate, or the US and Iran tend to negotiate. Trump tells Fox News that Iran can call if they want to negotiate. So supposedly there was supposed to be some form of negotiation over the weekend. It did not happen. And now it seems like Trump is kind of like putting this in the back burner, and we'll see how markets react. Originally, when this was announced, markets sold off. But since then, they've kind of recovered. Again, it might be the buy the rumors, sell the news type of approach where there's huge anticipation that all of these companies are going to deliver. A lot of them have been laying off a good amount of people, which means cutting expenses, cutting the workforce. So they might actually report better than expected earnings. And if they do, it could prop up the market even higher. I'm just excited to be able to, watch this live and see the market react. But also, don't forget the FOMC rate decision. That's a huge economic report. And again, it's going to be on Wednesday. And yes, we do plan to live stream it. We'll talk about this a little bit more also in today's Sunday Stock Talk, where you guys will get to decide what different companies we can break down, both technically speaking and fundamentally, to get a better understanding of, is there any actual good deals? You guys could even start now. If there's any stock that you would like me to analyze technically and fundamentally in today's live stream, just comment down below. And if enough people like it, then I'll break it down for you guys. I hope that earned a thumbs up. I hope to see you in a few hours for our Sunday Stock Talk. Don't forget to subscribe. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.